Israel's Iron Dome anti-missile system has been making headlines lately. With a successful interception rate of 90% for each missile, it's impressive. But with Hamas launching 5,000 rockets in just 20 minutes, can the Iron Dome really defend against such a saturation attack? The Iron Dome air defense system is comprised of three key components: the Battle Command Center, the missile launcher, and the most crucial part, the detection and tracking radar. The missile launcher can hold 20 missiles. When deployed near a city, it acts like a protective shield for that city. The Battle Command Center is responsible for sending interception commands, only attacking when the rocket enters a predetermined range. Interestingly, this small interceptor missile can cover a range of 70 kilometers, even though it's only 2.8 meters tall and weighs just 90 kilograms. Here's the critical part. When multiple enemy missiles target a city, the Iron Dome defense system activates. The radar can detect threats within 100 kilometers, then sends the data to the Battle Command System, which sends commands to the missile launcher and tracks the trajectory of the enemy missile. Once the target enters the protected zone, the interceptor missile is quickly launched, locks onto the target, and pursues it. When it gets close enough, the warhead detonates, and the shrapnel inside triggers the enemy bomb to explode. It's noteworthy that one Hamas rocket costs only $80, while intercepting it with the Iron Dome costs $50,000 per missile. That's quite a difference in interception costs.